Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Chao is going to be showing you how to make this beautiful ruffled cake out of fondant.
You will need a lot of patience and you will need a lot of fondant.
Yeah, so if you'd like to learn how to do these fondant ruffles, please keep on watching.
Yo, what's up guys? We're back again and I'm going to show you guys today how to make simple ruffles on a cake, fondant. So, you want to keep on watching? Keep on watching.
Bruh.
We're going to start off by laying fondant on our 8-inch cake. And I don't know if I've told you guys before, but I usually lay fondant with cornstarch all the time. Cornstarch. That's the secret ingredient. So you want to keep on moving it so it won't get stuck to the table. Alright, so we're going to put a thin layer of fondant. Try to do it as thin as possible since you're going to put ruffles on it and you don't want a lot of fondant on it, you know? But as long as you have a thin layer of fondant, it'll stick to it. So. Now that we already covered the fondant, you want to make sure you make your colors. I don't know what kind of colors you want. So as for me, I'm going to make pink and light pink. So I'm going to split this in half. And I got some. We're going to use a round one. This one's probably about 1.375 to be exact. Alright, so now we're going to cut it. We're just going to cut all of these. But first you want to try it out. You want to try the first one out. Just make sure. Alright, so we're going to write that. Boom, boom, boom. And then you write that. You kind of make it like a... Remember those things that you used to make when you were little?
No.
Boom. See that? Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
So that's that right there. Boom. Same shit with all of them. So again, you squeeze one side, and then you squeeze the other side, and it becomes like this. See that? And then you just squeeze the back of it.
The bottom?
Yeah, the bottom. And then bang, there's another one. See that?
Yeah.
Y ahí no, ya los vas pegando.
Yeah, so you definitely want to charge extra because it is double the fondant. You're covering the cake in fondant and then you're still adding a lot of more fondant on top.
I think you're adding like pretty much triple the fondant because you're scrunching it up, so it's like, you know, it's like more fondant.
So it's very time consuming.
Super time consuming.
And that's why you notice he does it very thin. His layer that he covers his fondant in, and these are very thin.
Alright, so what you want to do is, before you put this on, clean your board real good. Why? Because once you have it on, you can't really clean the bottom of, like underneath it, you know? So you're always gonna go like from left to right. Don't go up, you know? And you gotta make sure as soon as you cut them, like as soon as you start cutting them like this, you do it right away. Because if you leave them right there, and say you have the fan on, ceiling fan or AC on or whatever, they'll dry out and they'll start cracking if you start, like once you start bending them, you know? And just imagine, like, I gotta put up the whole thing, dude. So this is gonna take me at least an hour.
Alright you guys, so that's the finished product on our ruffled cake.
If you guys liked it, please like it.
Yeah, don't forget to give us a thumbs up,
yes.
Subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any questions.
Yeah.
And thank you guys so much for watching.
And if you ever make this cake, make sure you tag us on Instagram or YouTube.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.